Gravity Forms is the form builder of choice for agencies and web professionals and is well regarded as the most powerful and extensible WordPress form management plugin on the market. With the Gravity Forms Elite license, you get access to all of our Gravity Forms add-ons and licensing for an unlimited number of sites, enabling you to create custom forms for any project requirements. From quizzes, surveys, payment and registration forms, to complex custom solutions, our form builder has the tools to enable you to complete the job. At Gravity Forms, security and reliability are our top priorities, and consequently, we are trusted by nonprofits, government organizations, major universities, and big businesses around the globe. With our form builder, you can build accessible forms that are WCAG 2.1 AA compliant, which is a must-have for many of our professional clients. Gravity Forms is also committed to supporting developers, which is why you'll find hundreds of hooks, a robust add-on framework, and an extensive web API to help you access and extend the default functionality of our plugin. Alongside these features, you'll find in-depth developer-specific documentation and resources, as well as our expert support team who love to get involved with custom projects. Finally, Gravity Forms has an extensive ecosystem of third-party add-ons. These certified add-ons provide extra features and functionality, enabling you to further enhance forms, solve niche problems, and create unique solutions. Form anything with Gravity Forms.